I'm going to show you how to make stir-fried chicken with vegetables. Yes, right in your home. Let's get cooking. These are the ingredients we're going to be using today. As you can see, I already gone ahead and prepped it. We have boneless chicken. We have some flour. We have black pepper, salt and black pepper. We have soy sauce, vegetable oil. We have chicken cube. We have scallions. We have onion, red bell pepper, broccoli, tomato, green beans. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's prepare to season our chicken. Flour, salt and pepper, soy sauce. Just blend that in nicely. You want to incorporate it. Okay, as you can see, this is what we want mixed nicely. Now we're going to put our chicken in there and set it aside. Let that soak in nicely. Let that chicken soak up all that nice flavor. All right, now we're going to stir fry. Okay guys, your pan got to be nice and hot. All right. Okay guys, here we go. Stir fry, onion and broccoli. And put it aside. All right, let's stir fry our green beans and our red bell pepper. Okay guys, now this is good. Let's put this aside now, okay? Okay guys, we're going to get our chicken nicely stir-fried as well. Get our oil in there. Pan got to be really hot guys, don't be shy. Alright. Chicken cube, that's going to dissolve nicely. That's going to dissolve. Okay guys, as you see, the flour made a nice thick sauce. Okay, you want to make sure your chicken is nicely cooked as it is now. This is wonderful. Now we're going to add our stir-fried vegetables. Everything out, wonderful. And then we're going to add in our tomatoes. Wonderful. This is what you want. Look at these colors. It smells delicious and rich. Look at this. Keep your fire high. You gotta keep it moving. Wonderful. Keep it cooking. Almost there. I'm with you guys.